Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Samir. Today I am unboxing induction helicopter. Let's get started. It comes with a lot of packing. Actually, I ordered a red helicopter, but they gave me the blue one. But it's fine. Now let's take it out. They gave me a remote and a cable for charging. I had to buy a new adapter for it. It is light in weight and easy to lift. I think I like it, sort of. And this remote comes without any battery, so I had to put some batteries in it. And now we are ready to go. Let's fly it. In this specific scene, the angular velocity of the copter and the shutter speed of my camera are the same, so you can see the wings clearly. At the end of the day, the copter didn't fly well, so it's a great disappointment for me. By the way, if you like this video, consider subscribing and share this video to your friends too. Thank you.